Too bad we can't put that on the inside one. Well,
You could. I mean, stick it on your shoulders. Where are you going to be, right here? Hi there, welcome back to Geek and Son. Guess what we're doing today? We're going to continue the repair on the General Lee. Check out the video where I messed it up, or I cut a big hole in it. I don't need to explain it again. If you're watching this video, you probably already know what I'm talking about. Today my good friend Les came over, and he is a master craftsman. I mean, I can do this kind of stuff, but he is a genius at this kind of stuff. So he's going to be in the video. It's going to be a quick video. We're going to buzz through it, but basically we repaired the line right here. You can see the dent bit right there. If you want to quit this video, you really could right now, but don't. We go ahead and repair this, and I'll show you what happened and give you the process coming up now. Once we get this baby up to 88 miles an hour. Oh, that's the wrong movie. This here's the Dukes of Hazzard, baby. Not that other Back to the something. Where's that rebel flag? Not yet, but it's a coming. Thanks for watching. All right, thank you so much for hanging in there. This is the end of this video. Not the end of this car for sure. We're gonna keep on trucking. So now, as you can see, the quarter is skinned where I want it to be. We're still gonna have to attach this part, which all you gotta do is put this right here and bend it over, etc., etc. Pretty easy compared to what we just did. But it is smooth as butter. Thank you so much to my friend Les. Thank you for subscribing. Don't miss out on the next episode when who knows what we do. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.